His Holiness.
His Holiness,
His Holiness.
very good morning. My question is, in this generation, how can youngsters like us deal with depression and walk on the right path?
Karsa.
In this generation, how could youngsters like us deal with depression and try walking in a right path?
I think many parts of the world, problem of emotion, therefore drugs, alcoholism, these things happen. So this clearly shows lack of knowledge how to tackle our emotion. Emotion is part of our mind. So the countermeasure must develop within mind. The problem, part of our mind, and then try to solve that through external means, drugs or alcohol like that, is wrong. So, therefore, now the world, we can say, some way, world crisis emotion. And that's why a lot of people unnecessarily suffering, neglected. Now, this very moment in Yemen, how many people, particularly children, facing starvation? And Syria, how many people now killing? All these due to human emotion. And then the whole world, among 7 billion human beings, there is huge gap, rich and poor. In this country, also you see India, the material, now since independence, the material development, the education, much sort of achievement, but still huge gap, rich and poor. And also century-old certain sort of bad sort of habit or tradition, the caste system, so-called caste system. These are backward. We must change. So this question of moral principle, these due to too much self-centered attitude, lack of sense of concern of others' well-being, then these things happen. So you have the potential. Now, only thing is, younger generation, you should pay more attention these things. If may I say so, like you, I usually describe generation of 21st century. So now, generation of 21st century, you should think more. You should not copy just this old person, the generation of 20th century. We have, you see,
His Holiness.
We have, you see, certain way of sort of life. So I think materialistic education create materialistic life, materialistic society, materialistic culture, and lacking or neglect about our inner knowledge about how to bring inner value. Yes?
His Holiness, I have a question for you. Next to you is sitting a scientist. Man has already put his footprints on the moon. And do you believe that God exists?
That was the last question. So please, Mike, please take back the mic. This is the last question.
Now, according one of ancient Indian sort of tradition, that is Buddhism, and also, as I mentioned earlier, Sankhyaism, no God, no creator. Especially Buddha mentioned self-creation. No creator there. but self-creation. Everything depends on your own action. Every action related with emotion, like that. Yes?
Hello.
Yes.
His Holiness, I just wanted to ask you, when you hear sad news or something sad that is happening, then what kind of thought process goes on and how do you deal with sadness that you might hear of?
Kharsa. Now we have this intelligence. Intelligence, our brain have some ability to see more holistic. Sadness, you see, that emotion develop from one angle. So if you just look from one angle, oh, how bad, then sadness increasing. But the same tragedy, same sort of event, look from wider perspective. Not only just one angle, one dimension, but a 3 dimension, 4 dimension, 6 dimension, more holistic way to look, then I think every tragic situation, not just the 100% negative, there are also some positive thing there. And also, according to law of causality, one tragic situation may create a new opportunity. So intelligence use the thing appears very sad. Just to concentrate on it, sadness increasing. Then same thing, look from wider perspective, use our intelligence, then you can see some positive thing there. So that automatically more balance your emotion. Okay.
Sir.
His Holiness.
Namaste.
Oi.
I am Vishwanath Sharma. There is a shloka in Bhagavad Gita. Swadharme nidanam kshemaha paradharmo bhayavaha. What is the differentiation between Swadharma and Paradharma? Please clarify, sir.
Kharsa, what? I don't know.
Hello. There is a shloka in Bhagavad Gita. Swadharme nidanam kshemaha paradharmo bhayavaha. What is the differentiation between Swadharma and Paradharma? Please clarify, sir.
I think better to ask one scholar about that. I don't know.
His Holiness.
His Holiness,
His Holiness.
very good morning.